My name's Jonathan Norman of the Major Projects Knowledge Hub, and as part of our DFMA digital scrapbook, I asked John Chapman of Touchstone Consulting for his view of innovative procurement and smart contracting.
Hi, I'm John Chapman. This was a fascinating discussion that we had today. I think the key things I took from it is the importance of the relationships. Can we work with individuals and can we work in a collaborative basis? Do we have the supporting culture within our own organisations and within the project to be able to work on that basis? And can we think about how we innovate in our delivery? When we look at the business case, we should think, what are the outcomes that we want to deliver as opposed to the outputs from the project? How do we then look at those outcomes and enhance them? How do we bring our knowledge as a specialist provider to that delivery to work with our client to think, if we know your business case and we know what you're trying to achieve, how do we collaborate on that basis? The important thing is to have a good, strong business case to start with. And if we look at the business case when we're going through the tender process, we're not focusing on cost. We're not focusing on this specific piece of cost here. We're saying, what is it that you want to deliver and how do we help you get there? And the example that came from the TfL Bank project was they were saying, if you can actually improve the throughput, you are then going to earn more money, because what we're doing is we're looking at a quality basis, and that's a very innovative approach. So I think what we saw today was an interesting discussion, bringing together lawyers, people from industry, people who understand the environment, to be able to say, this is our experience. If you can't work with the people, you're going to be challenged. You might be able to work with the people, but if the fundamentals of the contract are only about having a confrontational approach, it's going to be very difficult. So really to say, thank you Jonathan and the team here, it was an excellent event and I've really taken away a lot to learn from.